With Rocky Mountain Crane, we're just going to go through a functioning T85 here, kind of describe the inside of the panel. So if we're troubleshooting with you guys, you know what you're looking at, and we can help guide you through fixing any down crane that we have. So starting over here on the left, these are called our variable frequency drives. The big one is the hoist, the middle one that says U800X is the trolley, and the U600X is the swing. These all have a digital display readout on them. They're all going to say RDY or another letters or numbers on there, and we might ask you at any time to tell us what those variable frequency drives say. Along the top here, we've got a row of breakers. This Q980M is supposed to remain off because it's for a derrick, so don't worry about flipping that one on. Across the top, there's also some contactors with little relays in them. They have a little flag in them, and you'll hear them clicking back and forth, and if they are orange, that means they're activated. So we may ask you if K918A is red or not red, and you'll have to tell us if it's red or not red. Along the bottom here, we've got some other contactors that'll be pulled in and out as the crane functions. Along the very bottom here, we've got the G strip, which is the electrical strip. We may ask you to test something with the electrical meter on that G strip. U100N, we've got the phase detector right here. This makes sure that we have the proper phase and power coming in, and we want a green and amber light on that at all times. So that's another thing that we'll have you check. Moving back to this side of the panel, we've got our switches for horizontal jib, folding the jib nose, and running with the jib folded back. Sometimes the remote could get caught in here when people are storing it on this weather vane and mess one of these switches up. We've got the 2-part, 4-part switch, and then the swing control 1 or 2-speed, and then the battery charger. But next to that, we've got the Potain switches that we use for erection. When you're using the crane, it needs to be in position number 4. And then to the right of that, we've got the maintenance position or the left position or horizontal. So we also need to check and make sure those switches are proper. The other thing that we might ask you to do if we're having issues with the crane is go into the erection aid on the processor. You're going to hit the up arrow once to erection aid number 6 and hit enter, and then take a picture of the screen or FaceTime us and show us what's going on with the screen. That'll tell us what state the crane is in and what it's not seeing that it doesn't like.